Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto Skill. In today's video, we're going to talk about something super important: how to secure your crypto wallet. Whether you're just starting out or have been in the crypto world for a while, securing your wallet is essential to protect your assets from hackers and potential loss. So, let's dive in. Number 1. What is a crypto wallet? First, let's quickly cover what a crypto wallet is. In simple terms, it's like a digital bank account for your cryptocurrencies. But unlike a regular bank account, you hold the private keys to your wallet. These are what give you access to your funds. There are two types of wallets: hot wallets and cold wallets. Hot wallets are connected to the internet, making them easier to use but also more vulnerable. Cold wallets, on the other hand, are offline and provide better security. Now, let's talk about securing both types. Number 2, basic wallet security tips. Alright, let's start with some basic security tips for both types of wallets. Number 1. Use strong passwords. First things first, always use a strong, unique password for your wallet. Avoid obvious ones like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or password. Consider using a password manager to generate and store strong passwords. Number 2. Enable two-factor authentication. 2FA if your wallet supports it. Enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of protection by requiring something you know, your password, and something you have, like your phone or an authenticator app. Number 3. Securing hot wallets. Now, let's dive into securing hot wallets. Since they're connected to the internet, they're more vulnerable to attacks. Here's how you can keep them safe. Number 1. Choose a reputable wallet. Always choose a wallet from a trusted, well-reviewed provider. Popular hot wallets like MetaMask or Exodus have good reputations, but always do your research. Number 2. Back up your recovery phrase. When you create a hot wallet, you're usually given a recovery phrase, a set of words that can help you restore your wallet if something goes wrong. Write this down on paper and store it in a safe place, away from your computer or phone. Never share it with anyone. Number 4. Securing cold wallets. Next up, cold wallets. These are far safer because they're offline, but you still need to take precautions. Number 1. Store your cold wallet securely. For hardware wallets like Ledger or Trezor, keep them in a safe, secure location like a safe deposit box or a locked drawer. These wallets are designed to be resistant to tampering, but physical security is still key. Keep multiple backups. Consider keeping multiple backups of your recovery phrase, and store them in different, secure locations. That way, if one is lost or damaged, you'll still be able to access your wallet. Number 5. Avoiding scams and phishing attacks. Another critical aspect of wallet security is protecting yourself from scams and phishing attacks. Here's how to stay safe. Number 1. Be wary of phishing links. Never click on suspicious links or emails asking you to log into your wallet. Always go to the official website directly by typing the URL yourself, not by following a link in an email or message. Number 2. Don't share your private keys. Your private keys should remain private. Anyone who has access to them can access your crypto, so never share them with anyone, not even customer support from your wallet provider. Number 6. Extra security tips. Here are a few extra tips to keep your wallet extra secure. Number 1. Update your software regularly. Keep your wallet software, browser, and operating system up to date. Updates often include important security patches. Number 2. Use a VPN. When accessing your wallet on public Wi-Fi, always use a VPN, virtual private network, to keep your internet connection secure. To wrap it up, securing your crypto wallet is all about layers of protection. Use strong passwords, enable 2FA, store your backup phrases securely, and always be aware of phishing attempts. If you follow these simple steps, you can greatly reduce the risk of losing your crypto assets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on crypto security. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.